Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 20th, 2024, featuring Orion's return. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:20 p.m. Today is the 55th anniversary of humans' first moonwalk. Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon July 1969, AD. We came in peace for all mankind. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Orion's shoulder, Bellatrix, marks the return of the hunter into the morning sky. During the next several weeks, the pattern becomes fully visible before sunrise, preceding the return of Sirius. At 1 hour before daybreak, Bellatrix, meaning the female warrior, is over 6 degrees above the eastern horizon and over 18 degrees to bright Jupiter's lower right. Its blue-white color indicates a very high temperature, even hotter than Sirius. Shining from a distance of 250 light-years with an intensity of over 1,000 suns, it appears as the 18th brightest star for sky watchers at the mid-northern latitudes. In less than a week, Betelgeuse first appears, followed a few days later by Rigel. Afterward, a binocular is helpful to find the belt stars near the eastern horizon. By month's end, most of Orion hangs above the eastern horizon at this time interval before sunrise. Above Orion's reappearance, bright Jupiter is plodding eastward in front of Taurus, 5.2 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left. Dimmer Mars, 12.5 degrees to Jupiter's upper right and over 30 degrees above the east horizon, is slowly passing the Pleiades star cluster, 4.8 degrees to its upper left. Tomorrow morning it widely passes Alcyone, the brightest Pleiad. Through a binocular, Mars, Uranus, and the Pleiades are visible in the same field of view. Planet Uranus, resembling a dim aquamarine star, is 3.2 degrees to Mars' upper right. The slow-moving planet is in the same binocular field as the Pleiades until 2027. Saturn is the third bright planet in this morning's sky. Rising over 2 hours after the Sun, Saturn is in the south during morning twilight. It is slowly retrograding in front of Aquarius. Use a binocular to watch the planet move against the starry background. While the ringed wonder is in front of a faint background, bright Deneb Kaitos and Fomalhaut, part of neighboring constellations, are below the planet. In the evening sky, Venus continues a slow entrance into the western sky after sundown as the evening star. It sets 45 minutes after the Sun, lost in the Sun's glare. As Venus sets, Mercury is less than 7 degrees up in the west and 4.6 degrees to Regulus lower right. Their view is challenging through a binocular as Mercury dims. Scan slowly along the western horizon. The two bodies appear in the same field of view. On this night of the full moon, the lunar orb is low in the southeast during morning twilight. The moon is opposite the Sun at 5:17 a.m. Central Time, near sunrise. The buck moon is this month's bright moon. By 3 hours after sundown, it is over 50 degrees west or right of Saturn. The bright globe is in the southern sky around midnight and in the southwest during morning twilight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.